In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a trailing stop order on TradingView using a paper trading account. If you're new to trading or looking to fine-tune your trading strategies, this walkthrough will help you make the most out of TradingView's powerful tools in a safe environment where you can practice without risking real money. First things first, we need to log into your TradingView account. Head over to the TradingView website and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in a feature-rich interface, filled with all sorts of analysis tools and indicators that are there to assist you in making informed decisions. It's like having a trading control center at your fingertips. Now let's choose your broker on the trading panel. TradingView supports multiple brokers, allowing you to trade directly from their platform. Since this video is focused on paper trading, you'll want to select the paper trading option from the broker list. Paper trading is a fantastic tool for both novice and experienced traders because it allows you to test out strategies without any financial pressure. This way, you can learn and experiment freely. After selecting paper trading, click on Trade. This action connects you to the simulated trading environment within TradingView, enabling you to place orders just as you would with a real broker. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, where you'll be able to monitor your trades and access your trading history. Next, we're going to open the order panel. This is where the magic happens. There are different ways to manage your trades here, including setting various types of orders. Today, we'll focus on the stop-loss bracket order, which you'll find in the panel. Click on it to proceed. Within the stop-loss bracket options, there's an important drop-down menu that you don't want to overlook. This is where you'll select Trailing Stop. A trailing stop is a dynamic feature that automatically adjusts your stop-loss price as the market price moves in your favor, which helps to lock in profits while minimizing potential losses. Think of it as a safety net that moves with you, offering protection without limiting your potential to capitalize on upward movements. Once you've selected the trailing stop, adjust the parameters to suit your trading strategy. Determine how much room you want to give the market to fluctuate. This involves setting the trailing distance, which can either be a fixed percentage or a set number of points, whichever aligns with your strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a trailing stop order on TradingView using a paper trading account. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take the time to experiment with different settings to understand how each adjustment impacts your trades. This same process can be applied when you're ready to move to live trading, making you well prepared to navigate the markets with confidence. Happy trading!